They say money talks, but do you truly understand its language? The wealthy have unlocked financial secrets that keep them ahead, while many remain in the dark. Discover their insights today. Mindset matters. The rich view money as a tool for freedom, not just survival. They focus on long-term wealth building and opportunities, not immediate gratification or impulsive spending. Invest in assets. Wealthy people invest in assets that appreciate, like stocks or real estate. They understand that assets generate passive income and grow over time, unlike liabilities. Embrace financial literacy. Rich individuals constantly educate themselves on finance. They read, attend seminars, and seek advice, ensuring they're always informed about managing and growing wealth. Networking is key. The rich know that who you know is as important as what you know. They build strong networks, leveraging connections for opportunities, advice, and collaborations. Avoid debt traps. Instead of relying on loans, the wealthy use debt strategically. They avoid high-interest consumer debt and prefer leveraging borrowed money for investments that yield returns. Diversify income streams. Rich people don't depend on a single income source. They create multiple streams, such as businesses or investments, ensuring financial security and growth even in downturns. Focus on value creation. The wealthy focus on creating value that others need. They innovate and offer solutions, understanding that genuine value attracts money and sustains long-term success. Long-term planning. Rich individuals think decades ahead. They plan for future needs, including retirement and estate planning, ensuring their wealth endures for generations and impacts lasting change. Master the art of negotiation. The rich are skilled negotiators. They know how to get the best deals, whether in business or personal matters, ensuring they always maximize their financial potential. Patience and persistence. Building wealth takes time. The wealthy are patient and persistent, understanding that consistent effort and strategic planning yield significant long-term rewards. Frugality over flash. Despite their wealth, many rich people live below their means. They prioritize saving and investing, knowing that true financial security doesn't come from flashy spending. Tax strategy. The rich use tax strategies to legally minimize liabilities. They work with professionals to understand tax laws and incentives, keeping more money in their pockets. Continuous adaptation. The wealthy adapt to changing financial environments. They stay flexible, ready to pivot strategies when market conditions or opportunities shift, keeping their wealth intact. Risk management. Rich individuals manage risks effectively. They understand the importance of insurance and diversified portfolios, balancing potential rewards with calculated safety nets. Charitable giving. Many wealthy individuals believe in giving back. They see philanthropy as a responsibility and a way to impact society positively, while also enjoying certain tax benefits. Thank you for watching Unlock the Secrets of Financial Success today. Like, subscribe, and take action to discover the insights of the wealthy. Go to Moneyland Subscribe. Learn, succeed,